Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'll be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And in today's video we are doing another Gucci unboxing. Don't kill me, y'all. Maybe this will be a little bit more spaced out than the other one. I don't know which one is going to go up first, but I'm super excited for these two new items that I added into my collection. And honestly, this kind of goes into the Barbie theme of things. The movie Barbie has come out again and everybody has been going Barbie crazy. And pink is one of my favorite colors. I love me some pink. So I probably should have kept this in that Barbie theme because both items are pink. So I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys what I purchased. So if you guys want to see the two new items that I purchased from Gucci, then just keep watching. I have to let you guys know that both of these items were both on sale. So yeah, one I purchased from actual Gucci outlet. Like I went into the actual Gucci outlet, and then the other one I purchased from Nordstrom's. But you can also find these at the Gucci outlet too, but I don't know if you can find this color. So I actually have a double unboxing, and this is going to be unboxing a pair of shoes and a bag. So yeah, so first we're going to go ahead and start with the shoes, and these are another pair of sandals. The color is Wild Rose, and it says slides and sandals. So I forgot the name of these, but these are actually like the rubber sandals. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and show you, and it is these. Do y'all remember these? These are like the Gucci, I don't even know what these are called, but they are like the little rubber sandals, and it says Gucci on him, and it has that like little platform wedge. Now these particular ones, I have not wore these yet, but I do already own a pair of these that I purchased like 2 summers ago, if I'm not mistaken. I think they came out like 2 summers ago. So I have always really loved the pink ones, but when I bought mine, I actually bought the clear ones. The clear ones are now at the Gucci outlet. So these sandals are, I guess some of the colorways are being discontinued, because they do have the black and the white still on the Gucci site, but the pink ones were discontinued. Now, will I see these at the outlet mall? I'm not sure, but they were the same price as the ones in the outlet mall. These now retail for $450, if I'm not mistaken. I did not purchase mine at $450. I think I purchased mine. I paid $220 for these, and I love these. These are actually super comfortable. But if you moisturize your feet lightly, and I mean not a lot, because if you put some oil on your feet, you'll get the slipping and sliding in these. So don't do that. Just put a little bit of moisturizer on your feet, like some body lotion or something like that, not too much oil, and they'll be just fine. But like I said, these are super comfortable. I do have the clear ones. Now, for whatever reason, the clear ones are less comfortable than these. These are like, I can walk in these all day long with no problems. I have worn these around the house, but these are super comfortable. And my best friend has these same exact ones in pink, and I have worn hers before. Have I worn hers? Yeah, I think I wore hers one time, because that's what we do sometimes. And I wanted to see if hers were more comfortable than mine, because I don't know why the clear ones are just not as comfortable as these. It's the weirdest thing. They're made out the same plastic, so I don't know, but these are super comfortable, super cute. You can dress these up, dress these down. These are very casual for every single day, and they're not breaking the bank. They are under $500, you know, not bringing the bank when it comes to like a designer item. You know, some designer items are really expensive. So I will have a side-by-side video like I do all my videos when I have on shoes, just so you can see how they fit, how they look on my feet. These are a 36. Again, I'm usually always a 36 or a 36 and a half if they run a tad bit small, but these are perfect. They run true to size. So I love these. Now, the other purchase that I want to show you is a bag I purchased, and it's actually a really small bag. So I was going back and forth with this style of bag, but in a different color. I really wanted this like brown color because I wanted something to go with my Oran sandals. So I never got the Celine bag I wanted. It's still kind of on my wish list, and I do want to give myself a new bag sometime this year, but it's just not a priority right now. But there are so many bags that's kind of like on my wish list. That's why I haven't really pulled the trigger. I have to find one that I just like. Whew, but that new Louis Vuitton Speedy 20, I ain't gonna lie, kind of calling my name. But anyways, so I was in the Gucci outlet and I seen this bag, and it was in this really pretty like brown shade, and I was so close to getting it, but I was just like, do I really want to spend the money for it? I think in the stores this particular bag in other colors obviously retails for about $1,200, which if you do buy luxury designer items, you know that won't break the bank. But because I was like, you know, I still want to get myself another bag, I just wasn't sure. So the one that I wanted originally, I think it was around $880 or something like that. But I don't know, something just was like, I'm not gonna pull the trigger, just whatever. So I was with my best friend. As we're leaving out the store, she had made a purchase of some shoes that I really love and really wanted, but she ended up getting them. I may have to go back though. But anyways, as we were leaving out the store, I seen one of the essays with this bag walking through, I guess showing it to her client. And I asked my essay, I was like, wait, can I see that bag? And he was like, sure. So I seen it, I tried it on, and I was just like, it's so stinking cute. And I have really been wanting a pink bag for a minute. The only pink bag I own is Hellfire bag, the small one that is a dark pink, but I really wanted like a light bubblegum kind of pink like this one. So I seen it and I was like, okay, just hurry up and wrap it up before I change my mind. And this one was even cheaper, so I was like, okay. So as you see, this box is huge compared to this little bitty bag, and ta-da, this is the bag. So I love it. It's so stinking cute. I will put the name of this, but this one, I want to say they had this a couple years ago, like in the normal Gucci stores, but obviously it's now in the outlet, so it's a lot cheaper. And I love it. It is so pretty. It has this beautiful chain strap, and you can wear this as a shoulder bag. Like you can let me show you guys. You can wear this as a crossbody bag, obviously, which is what most people wear this for. You can also kind of like maneuver the handle like a shoulder bag, and also I have seen people wear this as a belt bag. You just take it around and there is a little chain, and you kind of just like that, and then you will wear it as a like belt bag. I don't know that I'm gonna wear it that way. I just really like it as a just crossbody. And I love that this pink has the silver hardware, because a lot of these little bags have gold hardware, like the black one. I do know that they are now kind of changing colors, adding new colors, so they do have different ones. But when I wanted this bag, I wanted the white one, and I did purchase the white one. I'll see if I still have a picture of it. I did purchase the white one last year, but I did not like the color white that it was. It wasn't a true white. It was kind of like a gray, like it had like this gray undertone in it, so I didn't really love it, so I sent it back. But I love this bag. It is so stinking cute. And honestly, you can get, I mean, it's not an everyday bag, but it's definitely more of a going out bag or something like that. It's really pretty. I love the pattern of it. It has a little heart right here. And yeah, I love this bag. So I should have done a what's in my bag, but my purse is, I don't even know. This room is a mess. My kids are gone, so I've been filming content like crazy. But yeah, I love this bag. It's so stinking cute, and I'm glad I went ahead and got this pink bag because, like I said, I don't really own too many pink. I don't really own any pink bags of this shade, so this is perfect for spring and summer. So yeah, once I purchased these, when I purchased these, did I purchase the bag first? I don't know which. No, I purchased the shoes first. That's what made me go ahead and purchase the bag, because I was like, you know what, these look amazing together. And yeah, so I love this. I love this little combo, and yeah, I love it. So that is it. That is all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.